Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by inspecting the exact failure point so you can choose the only way fix. Check hinges, rods, and any bent supports. Note missing bolts or cracks. Once done, collect tools: adjustable wrench, pliers, metal epoxy, 1/4 bolts or clamps, and a metal file. Make sure the rack is empty and stabilized. Lean it against a wall or lay it flat. This step saves time because you won't guess parts mid-repair. Prepare replacements before disassembly. You now remove damaged bolts and separate the broken pieces for a clean repair surface. Use pliers and a wrench. Clean rust and paint from contact areas so epoxy bonds. Roughen with a file if needed. Align parts precisely, clamp them, and apply metal epoxy to the joint. Then insert replacement 1/4 bolts or U-clamps through pre-drilled holes. Make sure plates or straps sit flush to distribute load. This reinforcement prevents repeat failures. You finish by reassembling the rack, threading bolts hand tight, then using a wrench to snug them. Avoid over-torquing plastic parts. Once done, let epoxy cure fully according to the instructions before applying weight. Test with light items first, then increase load to full capacity while watching for flex or wobble. If you notice movement, make sure bolts are tight and add an angled brace or extra U-clamp where the wobble occurs. This final check ensures your repair becomes a durable, long-lasting solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.